Congress party is the first political party taken up the issue. We have to first, our district committee has met the SP and even a representation to the DGP, and we have demonstration took place. Many demonstrations right from the beginning. We are fighting for the getting a justice for that family. So party in total, our stand in the both in the assembly and also in the outside also, we are told very clearly the SIT has to be constituted and it has to be under the supervision of the High Court judge. Why the High Court judge? Because the state government can mislead the SIT probe. That's the reason we have demanded for a High Court judge supervision. In this case, BJP is playing politics. We are not for politics purpose. We want the culprit to be bring in front of in the court of law and get them a corporal punishment. If whoever the culprit, however big he may be, but that culprit should get a hanging punishment, corporal punishment. We are demanding for that. For till then, we will fight for their cause. To divert the attention of the people, the BJP may make some noises. They may make a noise. Where were they all these days? Only Congress after Congress taken up the issue. Even in the floor of the assembly, we fought for that thing. But our demand, we have a consistent stand. That's the reason. One or two friends of us, colleagues of us, might be because of the emotional outburst, they might have told something. That is a different issue. But the thing is, there was a one incident that took place in Rayagada. One lady teacher, Irish, after her murder, after the Supreme Court's direction, the CBI taken over the case. The so-called accused Jairam, what has happened? BJP admitted him in their party, and they have almost literally closed the files of the inquiry in the CBI. So do you want that same type of fate to this family? For his family? So we are very clear. They may play politics to trap someone in this district to get somebody to admit it in the party. They may raise anything and finally they will, after some time, after their deal is over, then they will keep quiet. They will be mum. That double standard Congress cannot take. Congress is very clear. Our stand is we want a justice for that family. Actually, after interacting with the parents, I don't know why the local police has not inquired the so-called suspect. They were talking about, the parents were telling about one Babu, somebody's name, Babuli's name. But the local police, the last 4-5 months, they have not even inquired that person. Only after our demand of SIT probe with the High Court supervision, now the government has come with the SIT probe. Then recently only 2 times that DGP has come here, and the time of the inquiry, yesterday only they have inquired that, interrogated the Babuli. So this is a lacuna in the, the police probe. They say no. No. See, how can I be happy, this thing satisfied? We will be happy only after that family gets a justice.
Do you believe in SIT in Odisha?
SIT in the Odisha, we don't have a belief. But SIT with the High Court judge supervision, that is only our demand. We are very clear. BJP may divert the issue. That's what I'm telling you. What has happened to the case of Irish, lady teacher Irish? CBI only inquired. The culprit joined the BJP. BJP only admitted them in the party. After they have closed the file. What happened to the chit fund scam? Where is the CBI? How long they want to inquire? What has come out? Nothing has come out. What has happened to the mining scam? CBI is inquiring going on. In Bolangir also, already there are 2 cases that have been referred to the CBI. Almost more than 10 years, one case. Another case is 5 years. Till now, not even a single accused has been arrested. So it is we are not for making politics out of the troubled water. We don't want to fish out from the troubled water. We are very clear. We want the justice to get for the family. For that, till the last, we will fight for them. We will stand with them. And at the same time, I want to say, even for the inquiry, people who are the police, I don't want to divert the subject, but I'm telling that now so much of technology has come up. So even this is in the open air. Somebody has hijacked the girl, and even the body was brought here in the open, this thing only. So why not look into the satellite picture and trace out how many people came involved in that and all. After that, you can trace out the mobile data. Then you may get a...
Now, what is your one-line demand?
Our demand is under the High Court judge supervision, the SIT probe has to go in a right direction and pointed out a right culprit, and the culprit has to be bring into the court of law and give them the punishment, the highest punishment, corporal punishment, the hanging.